Subaru key fobs typically use a CR2032 battery. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool. First, locate the notch on the side of your key fob. Gently pry the fob open, being careful not to break any internal clips. Remove the old battery, noting which side is facing up, usually the positive plus side faces up. Insert the new CR2032 battery in the same orientation. Snap the key fob case back together securely. Test the fob to ensure it's working. This process works for most Subaru models from 2000 onward, including Impreza, Legacy, Forester, and Outback. Always use a CR2032 battery, as cheaper alternatives may cause issues. Double-check the battery orientation before closing the fob. While most replacements are straightforward, some newer Subaru models, like the 2023 Plus Outback Hybrid, might require reprogramming at a dealership after a battery change to ensure proper syncing. Keep an eye out for emerging trends like digital key apps, already available in models like the 2024 Solterra EV, which reduce reliance on physical fobs. While DIY battery changes remain common, the future points to battery-free fobs and app-based keys. If your key fob's LED light flickers or the alarm triggers after a battery change, professional reprogramming is recommended.